All right, Drew here from Drew's Roofing and Home Repair, and I talk to people a lot about electric galvanized nails. Don't recommend them, especially look what's behind me, the beach. If you're using electric galvanized nails at the beach, this is something I've been telling everybody. Don't use them. Let me show you why. If you look at this roof, I would say it's fairly new, wouldn't you? It's fairly new. Matter of fact, close to brand new. All right. But this is what happens when you use an electric galvanized nail at the beach. Right here. Look at that. So you got a roof that's 2 years old, and these were under the caps. This is what the top was nailed off. I want to show you something about electric galvanized nail. Everybody says they're great. You can use them. Well, let me tell you something. You can't use them at the beach. Use them anywhere else, but not at the beach. If you notice, because it's so rusted, that part of the nail, oh, look at that part of the nail, that was a nail head. That's steel. Just pops slam off of that thing. This one here, this is an electric galvanized nail. Why you don't want to use them? Look at this. That's the head of that nail, which is basically nothing. This head of that nail is already gone. It's already gone. So these electric galvanized nails are not made for the beach. So if your house is at the beach and your roofer is getting ready to put a roof on your house, make sure that he uses at the beach. Go with the stainless steel nails, or the other thing would be at least a dipped galvanized nail. Not this electric galvanized nail. It's called EG, which stands for electric galvanized. You can buy them at Lowe's, you can buy them at Home Depot. But look, that was a nail. It's actually just gone. All right, pointing at this thing, here it is. Look, the whole head gone. Electric galvanized, 2-year-old roof. See that? That was a nail head. That's the steel that's coming off of it. That little flakes. That's steel. We had a shingle blow off here, and again, this has only been exposed for a short period of time. But look at these nails. Look at this. I'm getting the flat bar. Electric galvanized. And they call these roofing nails. Look, let's see if I can get that. That was a nail. Now it's nothing. Look at this one. Let's see if I can get that real close. Watch this. Oh, that's the top piece of the nail. It's literally rusted, gone. Look at that nail. There is no nail head. There is not a nail head left there. It's completely gone. All you can see is the head of the nail where the nail used to be. Look at this one. Watch when I touch that thing. The whole top peel right off. See that? Electric galvanized nails. Don't let your roofer use them if he's working at the beach. Oh, look at that. The top just popped right off. That's garbage. Galvanized or stainless on your roof anywhere near the beach.